Hello friends, good morning to all. I hope you all are well and welcome back to this channel about jobs. Today I'm going to sharing about some Ireland requirements. I hope you all of know that Ireland is a European country and with also high economic strong country. So if you have a dream and you want to move Ireland with your jobs, so I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep watching this video up to end. I'll share with you the positions and the requirement and the applying process, everything details. So let's start. Number one, store supervisor in Ireland. You can see this position is store supervisor. And they mention some informations you should know before you apply for these jobs. Our clients has seen a big often in market share, which has made their in already successful business get even busier. We are now assisting them recruit for a store supervisor. Full training is provided to help you taking ownership of the roles. So the primary duties. So this is some points they mention of a duties, primary duties of a store supervisor. You can see to organize and manage the stores in a hands-on manner. You will be in charge of all products lines and ensure smooth transitions of all components and where they need to go. Overseas process and manage orders for shipping to collect and deliver consignments through the Greater Dublin Area. So this is some primary duties of the store supervisor you should know before you apply for these jobs. So next come to another points. Key responsibilities, activities of the positions. What is the key responsibilities for this store supervisors? Let's see. Responsible of managing, receiving, storing, and shipping of materials or finished goods, ensuring these are performed as outlined in SOPs and GDP. Ensure materials are received from approved vendors, delivered inventory and finished goods, packages and according to specifications and shipped in timely manner. Document receipt of all materials and goods received. Ensure product are shipped as marketing schedules. Modify of operational methods and procedures. Maintains documentation to reflect the effectiveness and efficiency of department activities. Time required to attend trade a counter and interact with customers. So this is some primary duty to key responsibilities for these jobs. Then come to another point, knowledge and experience. What the requirement of education and experience. You can see here absolute must full clean driving license, must have an undertaking of shipping and receiving principles. So if you are already in Ireland, then I hope you can apply for a license. Otherwise, if you are out of Ireland, then you can apply for the jobs. Once you getting successful from interview, they will guide you for the license. So if you have in your home country, if you have license, that also applicable. Once you get success in interview, then they will guide you how to get a Ireland driving license. So don't worry for the license, but they mention it's needed must have an understanding of shipping and receiving principles concepts, practices and standards along with knowledge of industrial practice. So with your driving license also you have to maintain, you have to understanding of shipping and receiving principles, concepts, practices and standards along with knowledge of industry practice. Must be able to develop solution to semi-complex problems. Strong verbal and written communication skills and interpersonal skills are required. For forklift license is desirable. A hands-off approach is a must. So if you have the qualifications and the experience as they mentions, then you can apply. The applying process is you have to send your CV to this email ID. And for more information, you can visit these websites. So this is the websites they mention. I would like to highlight it you with you. So then you can see here they mention that if you are in real interested for these jobs, you have to send your CV to this email ID. So first of all, you should keep in mind that this is the key responsibilities and this is the knowledge and experience they need with a driving license and also forklift license. So as a store supervisor, you should have to maintain all the things they mentions. So if you are really interested, you can apply by this email ID. Then come to another positions. Parcels Coordinator in Ireland. It's a position for Parcels Coordinator. You can see here we are currently recruiting for a Parcels Coordinator for well-established company based in West Dublin. I hope you all know that the Dublin is the capital city of the Ireland. This is a fantastic opportunity to join a progressive company and work in fast-paced environment. In the role of Parcels Coordinator, you will work as part of PG team who are the first point of contact for customers, orders, and queries by the telephone and email. To be the successful applicant, you will have 2 to 3 year experience in fast-paced customer service roles, ideally within a parts mechanical technical company. You should have strong communication skills, excellent attention to detail, strong IT skills, and proven customer service skills. As the successful of applicant, you can expect a salary up to 30,000 euro per annum. That means your salary will be 30,000 euro per annum, as well as bonus and part-time opportunity and the opportunity to work in challenging role with progression opportunities. Unfortunately, my client are not in a position to sponsor a visa application, so you will need full and unrestricted eligibility to work in Ireland. That means they do not provide any visa. If you are in Ireland, then it's easy for you. If you are out of Ireland, then you can apply just simply. And if your CV will be utilized, they can call you or they can contact you for an interview. So the applying process is same. You have to send your document to this email ID. First of all, my suggest you first of all you read it carefully, and if you think that this all capacity you have, then you can apply for these jobs. This is the email ID. So they mention everything details, the experience and the skills needed for these jobs as a parcels coordinator. So if you are interested, you can apply by this CV. So my suggest, if you are still out of Ireland, you can apply simply, and once your CV will be utilized, then you can attend the interview. So more information you can visit these websites. Next come to another point, another positions, commercial finance analyst. It's a financing job. Commercial finance position is commercial finance analyst in Ireland. You can see here the dimensions. Once again, I would like to say you, if you have any problem to understand this, then this all information is under descriptions. So go to the descriptions under the video and collect these informations and read it carefully. If it's suitable for your positions, for your careers, and for your experience, then you can apply by sending your CV. So let's describe about the next positions, commercial finance analyst. We are currently recruiting for a commercial financial analyst for an international business based in West Dublin. This is a fantastic opportunity to join an international market leading company. So as you see here, this all three positions are belonging to West Dublin, same place. It's a very good things. You can work in the capital city of the Ireland. So you can see here in the role commercial or financial analyst, you will have an opportunity to complete the month and accountings. So you will lead analytical in the role of commercial analyst you will have to opportunity to complete the month and ending accounting process, track performance. So you can see here the mentions we are currently recruiting for a commercial finance analyst for an international business based in West Dublin. This is a fantastic opportunity to join an international market leading company. In the role of commercial finance analyst, you will have the opportunity to complete the month-end accounting process, track performance of KPIs, and act as a key finance business partner to sales. You will lead analytical projects and will gain an exposure to senior stakeholders in Ireland and the UK. Responsibilities include monthly reporting, forecasting, planning, and variance analysis. To be a successful applicant, you will be a qualified accountant, have 1 to 2 year commercial finance experience. That means for these positions, they need a qualification with accounting and minimum 1 to 2 year of experience in the regarding field, and will have to ability to provide valuable insights to the management teams. You should have strong numerical and communication skills, excellent attention to detail, and strong IT skills. As the successful applicant, you can expect a salary of 60,000 per annum, 60,000 euro per annum. It's a very high salary and good salary, as well as the opportunity to join a market leading company with progression opportunities. Unfortunately, my client are not positioned to sponsor a visa application, so you will need full and unrestricted eligibility to work in the island. So there is only one issue: they never provide any sponsor letter to apply for visa. That means they asking if you are in already in Ireland, then it's easy for you. So still my suggestion: if you are out of Ireland, you can apply by sending your CV, and you can take a visit visa to go there once you get these jobs. So it's not matter for you. So my request, first of all, you should read it carefully. What is the requirements? They require a financial accounting qualifications with a minimum 1 to 2 year of experience as working with a commercial finance analyst. Then if you have the experience and the qualifications, don't be late. Send your CV to this document. Once your CV will be utilized and you will attend the interview, then they will ask you about the visa. Then you can make a visit visa and you can join. After you join, you can get the work permit. This is the process. So don't be confused. If you have the experience and the qualifications, don't need to worry, apply directly. This is my suggestion. So I hope this information will be helpful for you. First of all, this is a store supervisor. Second, parcels coordinator. Third, commercial finance analyst. There is three positions, latest jobs from Ireland. And again, I would like to say you this all information is in descriptions under the video. Go to the descriptions, collect these informations and read it carefully. If you want to work as a store supervisor or parcels coordinator or commercial financial analyst, then read this information very carefully. If the experience and the qualifications you have, then apply to sending your doc CV to this email ID. So after you sending your CV, once your CV will be utilized, then you can attend the interview. So the genuine process I already shared with you in my previous videos. Same also I would like to share with you now. The genuine process is, first of all, you have to apply by sending your documents, CV, cover letter, certificates, everything. Once your CV will be utilized, they will contact you by email or by telephone for interview. Once you get success in interview, then only they can provide sponsor letter or they can guide you how to make visa or how to go there with your jobs. This is the genuine process. So I would like to share with you this genuine process what I have in my mind. So please careful read it and focus these positions. If these positions are related with your professions, then don't be late. Applying process is very easy. They provide some official email ID. You have to send your documents. Nobody know when who get a opportunity. So my suggest, please send your documents to this official email ID. I hope if you have the qualifications and the capacity and the experience, obviously you will get a reply to attend the interview. Once you attend the interview, they will guide you what to do. So I hope this information is very needful for your careers. And finally, I would like to say you many thanks for your valuable time for watching this video up to end. And in the next video, I'll share you through the latest jobs, new openings from other countries. So stay with me, and if you think this is information is needful for you, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Once you press the bell button, you will get a notification of when I share with you the latest jobs. So stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.